come. First you go to the lady guest. Right? Ask everybody. Have you finished? May I clear? Thank you. Take the knife, put below. Okay? Take, come here. 3 fingers, thumb and last finger open. Okay? See ya? Okay? So this one is below like that. See? Then I go to the next one. If you can clear all full marks, you clear half only, half marks. Okay? Then you come here. Where is the lady guest?
Lady guest side.
Then you come here, lady guest. From the right. No need to ask already, one time only. See? You put this open on top. This is like a triangle balance. Okay? The rest of the plate will go here. And you go to the gentleman. Some people, they want to do safe, they do this. So this one will run. See? If you can do it, you want to practice, you must practice. Then I come here. Same thing. Behind I put. So this one go below, the fork go below on top. Okay? Come here again. Same thing. From the back, you put below the knife, below the fork. Okay? Put the fork on top. Then from here, you clear. Don't take like that. This will happen. Okay? So this one. Okay, so once it's done, lift a little bit so you don't have the pressure. Then you go to your side table. Okay, then everything come here. You put. Now, we call crumb down. I'll show you what we mean by crumb down.